Hey y'all, I've got 2 pounds of chicken breasts and I'm adding just a couple of teaspoons of garlic that's freshly minced. And to that we're adding an entire can of cream of celery soup. This is gonna be such a great sandwich fix-in or dip, depending on what you want to use it for. Just spread this around all that chicken. Just mix that all together. And then we're gonna add, this is an entire block of cream cheese that I've cut into cubes. Just go ahead and put that whole thing in there on top of all that chicken. Cutting it up into cubes is gonna make it break down a lot faster. It's gonna be so good and make this chicken so creamy and so delicious. A little bit of salt. And some pepper. If you like making game day sandwiches, this is going to be such an easy way to make your sandwich fix-ins for a crowd. They're going to love this. And then I've got some leftover ham from Christmas that I've cut into cute, tiny little cubes. This is about a cup of cubed sliced ham. I'm gonna use cheese is always such a great idea. This is a really cool blend of like Swiss, Gruyere, and cheddar. So we put the whole thing right on top. And we're gonna be making it even cheesier with some mozzarella cheese. Just 2 cups of that as well. Spread that around. Then go ahead and put the lid on this and then set this on low for 3 to 4 hours. Oh my goodness, take a look at that. Everything's gotten super cheesy and cooked through. And go ahead and take this chicken and just start shredding it up. That broth is in there to make a really nice creamy sauce. Now you can serve the chicken strips kind of by themselves if you want as like a meal, but I'm making this as like a game day snack. And so the easiest way to do this is to just shred up that chicken. You'll notice that as I shred up this chicken, all that liquid is mixing together and becoming this amazing creamy sauce. Got one more chicken tender there to break up. And once you have everything shredded, I'm gonna add just one more thing. Just like 2 chopped green onions, just to add a little bit of green color to this. So you can take this Crockpot dip just as is, but I like taking these like dinner rolls or like Hawaiian rolls and just getting a little bit in there and making them into little cordon bleu, chicken cordon bleu sandwiches. If you make a batch of these, I promise they're going to be a huge hit. Let me take a bite. Mmm, delicious. Oh my God. Chicken, ham, creamy chicken soup. Tastes just like a chicken cordon bleu. I hope you make this for your next watch party or game day.